Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the Airtel speed test and the download test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Poco F3 GT device. So during this process of demonstration, I'll be using the one Airtel single SIM card only. So I'll try to use the same SIM card in the OnePlus Nord 2 and I'll try to use the same SIM card in the Poco F3 GT as well. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know which phone has got a really good faster network speeds in my location. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So I'm trying to use only the one single SIM card in this phone, as you can see. So I'm trying to keep the same Airtel SIM card in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So first let me to disconnect the Wi-Fi. Yes, Wi-Fi disconnected. So first let's see whether we'll be getting any kind of 4G plus aggregation or not. So in my location, the 4G plus is not supported with the Airtel SIM in my location. So there's no issues with that. So let me show you the NetMonster application was the bandwidth it's connected. Right now it's connected to the Airtel LTE 900, as you can see, 900 band. So now let me try to open the Play Store application to download this Spotify application. Let's see how much time it actually takes to download this kind of application. Let me to reset the time. Yes. So 1, 2, 3. So same thing I'm going to do in the Poco F3 GT as well. This is a download test and this is a speed test. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know which phone is actually delivering more speeds in one location. And you can see the speeds on the top of notification panel. It goes up to 2 Mbps of speeds. In this moment, as you can see, 2 Mbps of speeds. And now let's see what will the Poco F3 GT can actually do. How much the Poco F3, it finished in I think 22 seconds only. I did not stop the stopwatch very faster. So 22 seconds of time the OnePlus Nord 2 took to download this application. Not bad at all, only 30 MB size. So now second step is to show the speed test. Let's see what will be the speed test results. So in this way we'll be able to conclude what is happening with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Let me try to keep this side. I'll try to select the Airtel broadband. So which is a server, Geo server, and I'm trying to use the Airtel SIM card and there is no 4G plus, but still even without 4G plus also in this location I'm getting speeds about close to 19-18 Mbps of speeds in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see friends, clearly not bad at all. I would say 17-18 Mbps of speeds. That's kind of good. So next I'll try to do the same kind of testing in the Poco F3 GT as well. So then we'll be able to get to know how is the Poco F3 GT is handling in terms of the speeds. So I'll try to do the 3 times. So 3 times speed test I'll try to do. So only then we can actually decide what is happening with the speeds. So not just by coming to the conclusion based on the 1 results, but based on 3 results we can actually see what is the average. That is my main point of doing this kind of videos in the comparison. So right now it reached up to 26 Mbps, 27, 28, 29, 30 without any kind of 4G plus, nothing at all. 31 Mbps, not bad friends, as you can see, 31 in the OnePlus Nord 2. I think this is the highest in the Airtel SIM in my location I got so far. Yes. And previous highest was I think iQOO 7, which reached 27 and 26. So right now this phone 31.3 reached. That's fantastic, as you can see friends, not bad. Let me try to do the test one more time. So right now we're getting about 26. Not bad, just 22. 22 Mbps, as you can see, 22 Mbps. And upload speeds are close to 3 Mbps and 4 Mbps. Upload speeds, not bad. As you can see, these are the 3 times results which we did, and we got this kind of results for the 3 times. So now let's take out this SIM card from this OnePlus Nord 2. I'm trying to change the SIM card in front of the camera only, so you should know I'm trying to use the same SIM card, not other SIM. So this is the exact Airtel SIM only. Let me try to click OK. And same SIM, let me try to use in the Poco F3 GT. I'm trying to remove in front of the camera. So everything whatever I'm trying to do, show you only friends, so you know exactly what is happening. I'll try to choose a SIM 1 because I did use the SIM 1 in this OnePlus Nord 2. So SIM 1 I'll try to choose even in this phone, because I do know some users again they'll mention try to use a SIM 1 only. That is the reason it happened. So that's why I want to keep everything as smooth as possible, so clearing all your doubts. So now we did turn on the SIM. Let me try to disable the Wi-Fi and turning on the mobile data. That's perfectly done, as you can see. That's good. Now let's check the 4G plus aggregation. As I said, in my location 4G plus is not, you cannot get. And let's check what is the band we are getting right now at this moment. So this is going to be really interesting, and I think hopefully we get only 900 band. As you can see, only Airtel 900 band we are getting, that's it. So same kind of bandwidth. So both phones are having the same kind of band, nothing much change. Let me try to start the stopwatch. So the OnePlus Nord 2 took about close to 22 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's see how much this Poco F3 GT can actually take. Same Airtel SIM, same application, same location, and the upload speed, I think download speeds are 2.2. We did see the highest. Oh my god, 2.2 Mbps of speeds. 1.8 finished, 18 seconds of time. The Poco F3 GT using the Airtel SIM card, as you can see. You did see the live demonstration, right? 18 seconds of time. So we did see the highest speeds up to 2.2 Mbps of highest speeds. So in the OnePlus Nord 2 we got about close to 2 Mbps of speeds. This is a test using the Airtel SIM card in my location. And I'm trying to mention and again, so this also depends upon the location to location as well. So you need to keep that in mind. So let's keep the stopwatch. So in the download test, I got to know that the Poco F3 GT is slightly having an advantage. Let's check in the speed test, what happens in the speed test. So let's select the same kind of Airtel broadband, same server. I just want to set in for both phones, so it's kind of equal test between both devices. The test is about to begin, and right now let's see what will be the highest speeds we can actually get. 34, 35, 37 Mbps, friends. 37. Oh my god, 37 we got before, and right now it's kind of 35. So 35 Mbps of highest speeds in the Poco F3 GT using the same Airtel SIM at same location. And OnePlus Nord 2 got about 31.3 Mbps of speeds with the same bandwidth, 900 band only, as you can see exactly. That's fantastic, as you can see. So I do have only Airtel 1 SIM card, so that is the reason I'm trying to test in this way, using one by one. And second time doing the test, and second time let's see how much the phone can actually reach. Second time the scores are not that great, it's kind of disappointing. Let's see what happens till the end. So till we do have some kind of mark. So I think it's remaining around 25. So at the last it did increase 25.6. And the upload speeds are kind of 7-8 Mbps of upload speeds we are getting. And the OnePlus Nord 2 we got about 6 Mbps of upload speeds, as you can see. These are the results which we did today. Top 3. Try to check the time. 12:58, 12:59 and 1 o'clock. Same time. That is the reason. Try to check the 3. Let's try to do the last time, third time. Let's see what happens with the Poco F3 GT. How much we can actually get this time. This time it's quite disappointing. We are getting close to 6 and 7. But the highest we did see 35 and 37. It's kind of huge. But still we are getting the same kind of band. It's connected to the same band. 900 band only, but still different results at this point. But the highest was 35 Mbps of speeds. 35. Wow, that's 35 Mbps speeds is the highest in the Poco F3 GT. So these are the overall comparison prints between both phones in terms of the speed results. So we got to know one thing, the Poco F3 GT has got slightly more download speeds using the Airtel SIM card in my location. In my location I'm trying to mention. So maybe in the other location it's quite different, but in this location using 900 band only, 900 frequency, these were the results we got. As you can see, 35 Mbps versus 31 Mbps of speeds comparison, the highest. You can see, friends. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and for more interesting videos make sure to let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to compare. So definitely I'll do those kind of comparisons as soon as possible. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.